Good afternoon. I am Rajesh Bansal. I am Vice President, BSES Rajdhani Power Limited. Just a brief about my company. We are distributing electricity in Delhi, mainly in south and west part of Delhi. We have around 1.8 million consumers. Along with our another group company, BSES Yamuna, we serve electricity to almost 3 million consumers. We basically belongs to the Reliance group of industries. Before going ahead about the reason or about the smart grid technology, there's a famous saying that necessity is the mother of invention. Maybe we can remodify it. Expectation to address concerns, expectations or to meet the challenges is also the mother of invention. The only difference is the earlier one is the mother of invention of product, the new one is the mother of invention of technology. So there must be some challenges, some reasons why this smart grid technology was developed in developed countries. Maybe these are the reasons. Of course, a lot of people, they give other reason also, that recession was one of the reasons, but I personally feel these are the reasons why the smart grid technology was developed in the developed countries. Maybe efficiency, environment, volatile price, demand side management, energy mix, charging of vehicles, maybe other reasons. But in India, the Indian utilities, our challenges, our concerns, our expectations are different. One of our challenges is ABT. ABT is a unique term which is developed in India, availability based tariff. Just for your information, in India, we use power utilities, we buy power and the tariff varies every 15 minutes. The tariff is as low as 2 US cent and as high as 20 US cent. And that's how the tariff varies. And in case there is a shortage and if we overdraw, we have to pay another penalty of 10 US cent. That means at that instant, the tariff is almost 30 US cent. So it is as low as 2 US cent and as high as 30 US cent. High theft, of course, the data which is mentioned is related to our company. In 2002, Delhi was privatized. Before that, the distribution was with the government, and they handed over the management to us in 2002 with the losses of around 62%, which we brought down to 17%. But this is prevailing in India at other places also. Apart from that, material theft, breakdown, power availability, okay, it's not so bad in Delhi. It's around 99%. We give a service level agreement to the consumer of 1% non-availability. That means 99% assurance. Collection. Load growth is a big problem, and consumer. Now, when we talk about technology, there has to be a reason why a technology should be adopted. One of the reasons why the technology should be adopted for Indian utility is if we address these challenges. So, in brief, the customer expectations and DISCOM concerns around cost of supply, customer services, reliability of supply, quality of supply. So, if the technology addresses these four views, then definitely it has a adaptability, it has a wide acceptance. So what is expected? What we utilities expect from the service provider is to understand our facts and concerns and then provide us the solutions. Just not merely the technology. Understand the facts and the concerns and then provide us the technology. Need is to understand the facts and provide technology. Now here, whatever I am sharing based on my last 20-year experience. And let me tell you, before joining this company for 11 years, I was in meter manufacturing. I used to go to the utility as a salesman and offer them the product and solutions. And from last 9 years, I am sitting on the other side of the table, now buying the meters and buying the solutions. So I am sharing my experience based on my mixed experience, both as a buyer as a seller. So let's see the few facts and challenges. This is the financial health of Indian utility. The data is of 0809. Do you think this figure is something which has shaken your confidence about the investment? Okay, let's see this figure other way. If we are going to have a loss of around 10 billion pound annually, this 10 billion can be 9 or 8 also because fluctuation of the exchange rates. Sometimes, in India, in last 1 year, there was a fluctuation of almost 12% in the currency rates. So, if we see the 10 billion pound annually loss, which is going there in Indian utilities, and assuming a customer base of 200 million. It's less than 200 million. Maybe 180 million. We have customer base. Assuming 200 million. And if you invest 100 UK pound on each consumer, and you can clean this loss, the ROI is only 2 years. You can never find such a good opportunity anywhere in the world.